Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.